Hi guys, I'm Karen. I'm making a rainbow fluorite bracelets for Miriam, and later I will make one for my friend Donna. She loves purple. These are handmade rainbow fluorite beads with 6-sided. Each bead is hand cut and polished by the machine. So unique. And here's a rainbow. So beautiful. Rainbow fluorite has many colors in one raw stone. Each one is unique and you cannot copy it. You want to see the raw stones? Looks like candies, right? So beautiful. You see they're shiny because I spray the white tea oil to maintain the shyness, or they will get too dry. This is the raw stone. They're so pretty. So these beads are made with these raw stones. And this one is with high clarity, a little bit blue, green, and purple. So pretty. And this one is all green, high clarity. You know, I'm not surprised if anyone thinks that I'm selling glass beads because of the high clarity of the crystals. Let me give you one example. This is the clear quartz raw stone from Madagascar. You see that clarity is beautiful. So if the beads are made with this kind of high clarity raw stones, the clarity will be very good. This raw stone is unpolished with natural texture and it's really beautiful. And one more I want to show you. Oh, it's a Morse agate. This is a crystal ball stand, one and only in the world. It was a birthday gift from my raw stone factory partner. He handmade this one for me. I really appreciate it. This clear quartz raw stone is from Brazil. So unique. You see the clarity and the rainbow too. Alright, let's finish Miriam's bracelet. I just reorganized the color and it looks pretty. Okay, it's done. Done. This one for Donna. This one for Miriam. I would like to show you guys what I got yesterday from my vendor. It's a phantom quartz raw stone, green, red and yellow right inside. It's beautiful, but I have to get it polished again, or maybe cut a little bit here because it's part of the skin. And this is the real phantom quartz bracelet. Each bead is different and it's really beautiful. It's like a little world inside. I like this one, and I like the white one too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.